Hello there, I'm Nicholas, and I'm building Jarvis, but my own version. Tomorrow, the first issue of my newsletter is getting shipped out, and I forgot to write a welcome letter. So I'm currently analyzing one, breaking it apart into different segments, and I'll be writing my own welcome letter. But tomorrow is February 1st, and I need this newsletter done before then, so that's why I'm focused on this, and then hopefully I can get back to actually coding. Hello, it is currently 11:05 a.m. Eastern Time, and I am currently cleaning up my desk so that I can actually get to reading properly. And I'm facing a problem. Most of what's left on my desk is like research papers. Basically, I need to figure out how to organize research papers. I don't know how to do that yet. I'm thinking I'll probably just put them all in a binder or put them all in a file or a drawer of some kind and just put them away. And then when I want to read them, I'll take them out. And I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with them once I've read them. Actually, I can't do that because half of these I've already read. I need to figure out where to put those as well. Anyways, I'll take another update once I've come up with something. So I just did a very quick analysis where I just went through and thought through some problems, and basically I'm working towards building Jarvis, or some kind of human level assistant that can do things. And from what I can tell, language communication we're good. GPT-4 is very good at communicating with language. I believe it's called procedural knowledge, so actual facts and things like that. I think we're also good because we have systems like IBM Watson that are able to just link facts together and build up knowledge graphs. So I don't know exactly how they work, but I know it's possible. People have done it. Same with GPT-4. So those two, we're good. Capabilities, like actually putting things into action, I think we're also good. We have Python libraries that can control keyboards, and I've built prototypes before. They're not super good, but I haven't spent a lot of time on them, but they're actually able to navigate around the web and do things like that. And we have APIs, or they can use GUIs. So we're also good. Where I don't think we're good, and where I think there's a gap that needs to be improved, is actually in the autonomy and self-planning part, where there's a thought process happening, and then based on its thought process, it decides what to do, and then it figures out what to do. And so I'm just going to throw together a quick prototype. I'm going to try to make a stream of consciousness, and consciousness is a very strong term here. What I'm going to do is basically just try to get a 24/7 stream of just GPT 3.5 generated text, where it's just always going and always going and always going. And we'll see how that works. I'm going to come back with another update once I have that prototype all done. It is now 1:17 p.m. Eastern, and I have an update. I now have a stream of thought just going. It's always responding to itself. Let me flip this camera around and then I'll show you. All right, here we go. So if I run this script, you know what? Actually, let me use a screen recorder. Okay, so if I full screen this console and then run the script, you'll see at the bottom of the console here, it begins thinking. And I currently have it just set to thinking about a trip to France, but basically has this inner monologue. And you'll see the spacing is a little weird. It's okay. But it basically starts thinking about this. And then when it's been thinking for a while, it begins losing the original thoughts. So this is just a very quick, it's currently set to 500 characters. So it's just set to 500 characters and it's just thinking for those 500 characters, repeating and repeating and repeating. And currently it's really only thinking about one thought. It's thinking about a trip to Paris. And so now the next step that I need to implement is, based on these thoughts, to search into its memory bank, find the most relevant memories, and then put those in the memory slot so that it can think about those memories, and as it's thinking, think about new memories and continue this train of thought. With the end goal, hopefully, that when you ask this thing in a chat situation, hey, what are you thinking about? Instead of saying, I'm an AI assistant, I don't think, based on the memories that it has most recently retrieved, and the thoughts that it's currently having, it can respond to you with exactly what it's thinking about. That's the goal. It is now 1:53 p.m. I've made some progress. It's now using recalled memories to educate what it's going to think about, but it's not jumping from memory to memory as I was hoping. I only have a couple memories in here. So, I have 4 memories in here. So I think what I need to do next is actually make it so based on what it's thinking about, it'll generate new memories. So then it actually has more memories to jump around with and change topics for. Yeah, I'm not sure if I'm gonna have time to do that today because I need to go practice for my guitar lesson. But I'll record another update once it's actually generating memories. It is now Friday, 1:35 p.m. and this is probably gonna be my last update in this video. I'm going camping later today. My bag is not packed yet, or not completely packed, so I need to finish packing it. And my room is a mess and I wanna clean it up a little bit before I get back on Sunday. And then, yeah, this is gonna be my last update because I need to finish packing, clean everything up, and then edit this video so that I can schedule it before Tuesday. So, it's my last update. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next week.